Former firefighter, rolling deep. 10Tik topping dancehall playlists and talking frankly about
lyrics. I mean, you're making good lyrics right now too. Cause you're rolling pretty deep. This song is hot.
Would I classify it as a unity song, as a team song? You may say as a pairing song.
How is it a pairing song where some people are disloyal and they're not holding the order?
So that's the thing.
And they're falling by the
Right,
wayside.
exactly. So we are trying to show you how to hold the orders. Have some dog where you seek out and get mad out, I will still keep them close. Cause the pressure does a thump like a mother right now, what the weakest I feel it the most. See some fool but they reach out and them flag out and come on the block and a pose. And you never help a soul in your life, you go decompose.
Roll deep with the dogs, roll deep.
At the end of the day, everybody wants a roll deep. Nobody don't want a roll shallow.
No, you're telling me that because you're on TV now, so you're giving it your best shot and you want it to look really good.
I really like
But
man.
if you listen to the song, like all of these guys listening to the song, they know what's really happening in the song. But you don't think I know what's happening in the song?
That's why the song is a hit, because everybody knows what's happening in the song.
And the
it
song
really-
is
and
about
everybody
the
relates.
song is about the street. The song is about hot times in Jamaica.
Definitely.
And the song also is about the whole gun culture in Jamaica. You're not running away from it.
No,
In
I'm
the
not
song.
running away from it. It's a part of our culture that if we don't embrace it, we're not going to have any power to fix it or maneuver through it.
I mean, a kid listening to that might say, gosh, I
Remember
want to be a
remember
gunman when I
Anthony,
grow up.
what we refer to badness, is basically what we grew up seeing, our first set of idols were people that people were referred to as bad men. You understand? The first person when we say I give money to Pitney is people refer to him as bad men at the end of the day. So even music, a lot of the strength where we as young artists get is from people where them call certain character where we don't really want. You understand? So at the end of the day, I just life. You see, but the thing about it is the reason behind it. Authentic will never tell anybody say, yo, here I go and go shoot up yourself. Go bomb up yourself. Or kill off almost set of people, or marrow head fly through where, or none of them things. Me just tell you what we go on in a real life. Where as me tell you can see say that me see yesterday, or that I go on right now, Really,
Extension clip for the blue tape, copper pies, your body it start for me.
Because at the end of the day, we just paint a picture for what it is.
But a young person listening to this song is going to think, boy, that's a cool song. That's hip. I want to be in the hip crowd. I want to be like 10Tik.
Any youth who want to be like 10Tik's, Me only motivate them because I not set a bad example for anybody.
Why
Like-
do you need a hardcore song right now?
Life
You got-
very hardcore right now, Anthony. Right now, are the hardest core of life never seen. Yeah, man. We need people to see things for blatantly what they is.
You know anybody affected by the violence? Are you affected by the violence that's happening?
It don't really affect me directly, you know, but you have to understand, so when you lose somebody, it affects you emotionally, it affects you mentally. See me I say? And sometimes, the person who you lose, sometimes people don't even know say that person there was somebody dear to you. So you never get much freedom for evil vent and for evil to say, yo, one bag of thing, because they don't even know say, yo, somebody is dear to me, you know, but they just see it as another statistic.
Give me like one name. Tell me one person that you knew and how he died or she died.
I have a little friend by the name of Damal. He comes from my side. He died, how much years now, Prex? 4 years. By the town centre, down by Price side.
And now the grimy side we respond for
Look like a mistaken identity. Somebody just pull up, him didn't want hoodie. He come a bleach and things, so he didn't want hoodie and well pad up and thing and dead. And you don't know, like him not nothing to do. And some man who have something to do just come with the day and you see me.
I love the thing them I want my buy them Chris try. Follow the dog all when him got peace and all like a eye when you had a girl.
My first single, Gangster. Young producer, never produced anything. Chaos, Roll Deep, CC Records, young producer, they've never really produced anything. 2 songs are shell down the road right now.
Boy, Ritical and Tommy Lee were shelling down the road just the other day and in a heartbeat behind bars. Was that kind of like a wake-up call for you?
We take a very big lesson from long time before that. From even the world boss himself get locked down in prison, which is most of our idol and our teacher in our music will show with the variables of music. And you see me I say? From them time we make a oath say, oh, nothing like that can possibly reach it. Way before Ritical and Tommy Lee. But them now just make it extra bad and make it look away because me know say them know exactly what them fear do and what them not fear do and how to do it. You understand? So it just starts to them get caught up in that.
But you couldn't make that same mistake.
I could, you know, but I'm not going to.
Sometimes it's just the moment, the circumstance, who is around you.
No, but if who is around you is in control from in the morning, or you control them in the evening. When evening get hot and grimy. You have to control them from in the morning. So it's just about the atmosphere you have around you from in the beginning. Life is not a pretty picture, Anthony. And we are the true reflection of it. If you want to be good musicians.
And you think Jamaica needs that honest sort of holding up of the mirror. This is what we're like. Take a long look.
Take a long look, and at the same time, we have our own signature frequency in the music, apart from reflecting, we are reflecting. We are showing you how you can maneuver above it, how we can work above it, in between it, and how this cannot be our stigma. So even though we are identify it, we are identify the evolution at the same time. That's the difference with our music.
Beyond Roll Deep, 10Tik lining up with another trending DJ Yaxter on Freedom.
Our main goal, you know, is to really get a chance to show you the real production and what we really have to say and show the world, you know. And that way I'll get a chance with them now. Cash a rolling, man, you know, double plate active. We don't get to treat ourselves yet.
What you want to treat yourself
But,
to?
you know, I'm not sure, you know, Anthony. Right now, I become a Jailand tourist, you know, I like go 14 parishes of Jamaica and see all of the natural aspects of my country before. You see me, I say? I don't want white people there and I see everything. So I just believe, say, for the time being COVID lockdown, I want to see 14 parishes of Jamaica in a fullest extent. That's really my thing.
So give us a line from the Yaxter song now.
Look how much promise them left on the block, I never meet one yet. Now for the new generation, I grow with a misconception. Dog, if you don't work for yourself, you will work for your next man rich. Just check how much money they get to spend on weed, liquor and cigarette. Daily, All of them money every circle and circle back quick. I make a system take a back flick. Never had no power before the music. So me could you make a millions hear this? Poverty no real is a mental myth. And it's a long time we a get tricked.
So man too easy to switch dog. That's what they mean.
Cool. And you don't need auto-tune.
Nah, I don't need it, but we still use it more.